Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Updating your tumble dryer every 10 years means you can benefit from new technology and more efficient heating methods, which may reduce energy use and save you money on your bills. At 10 years or older, a new tumble dryer is often a better investment, as well as preventing you from paying for costly repairs. 1 January 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Around 10 to 15 years. Tumble dryers should last for around 10 to 15 years. One of the simplest appliances in your home. A well-maintained tumble dryer should last for around 10 to 15 years. Daily finance. Common yet fixable problems include a tumble dryer that won't heat, which can be caused by a tripped thermostat.
Let's help you make your mark.
The average electric dryer should last about 14 years. The average gas dryer is a little less durable, lasting about 13 years. If you're approaching your dryer's average lifespan, but a $40 repair will last you another year or two, it may be best to repair it for now. 19 April 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.